Hi! Our very first box, the Founders Box, shipped last week, and I'm going to be unboxing it for you today. But I just wanted to get on and say hi. This is my very first live. I packed up the box last night just for us to look at today. And hi, pick the planner. This is our very first live, so I just wanted to see, hi, Krisha, how are you? I wanted to see what you guys are up to. I am lucky I have really good light because it snowed, a record amount of snow here in Utah, a foot yesterday. And so hopefully you'll be able to see everything nicely. I'm very nervous, can you tell? Okay. So before we get started, I just had like a few questions about like different sizes that we are going to offer. And for now we have the half letter, the A5, personal, and pocket. And I'm going to create a waiting list for personal wide because that seems to be like the next most interesting size for people. And that was the only update I had for that. So I guess we'll get started. Let me just flip my camera around and hopefully this will work. Hi, Lux Nerd. Okay, so here's the box. I'm gonna try to do a combo of one-handed and with this tripod, so hopefully it works. So this is the box, and you open it up. And inside there's a card, which will explain everything that's in it. So we'll pull that out, and I've made notes about everything so I don't want to miss anything. So let's get into this box. Some people say the best part of the box is to open up the packaging, which I think is also the case. So I try to do a really good job making sure it looks nice for everybody. And inside, the first thing you'll grab is the planner cards. Hi, Anna Abraham. And in here, I actually have them just like inspirational planner card, and then some functional calendar cards that you can use to maybe write like what goals you have for the month down here, and then you could track them by marking off the days where you're able to meet your goals. And then on the back, there's just some quotes that match the dashboards that are inside. And we've got some pens. We have a tool pen in here, a fine point tool pen. And then this colored gel pen. Some people got black. There's also blue and brown. What I like about the gel pen is that if you're really heavy-handed, it works pretty well. So that, like, I'm really heavy-handed and a lot of gel pens will skip or not write properly, but these definitely don't have that problem. And then in here, I've also got this frosted planner pouch, as you can see. And I actually only have like these two are the only ones I have left. So if you're interested in getting one of these, I'm not going to put them on the website because I only have two, but you can DM me, and then we can work something out that way if you're interested in them. And then you'll also see these clips that are in here. I'm actually a huge fan of these. These ended up being for people that ordered the second variation because I had sold out of the first one. They come with, the other box came with these clips, but I actually ran out, so I only have a few left. I need to reorder them. If you're interested in grabbing these, there's actually a restock notification that you can sign up for on the website, so I will, I can send you that link as well. But if you sign up for that, then I'll know how many to order and make sure that you're able to grab them. But they're super thin. And that's what I like about them is you can't even really see them unless, like, they don't deform your pages or anything. All right, so then pop in here and grab the planner that comes with 3 and 6 month subscriptions. Everybody got one in the first month because it was our first month and I wanted to give everybody a gift for subscribing, but it comes in rose gold, gold, or silver, and there's the rings right there. I love this color, by the way. This is my favorite color, the rose gold. All right, let's see. Okay, and then I actually have the other two colors here. So here's gold. It's actually kind of muted, which I really appreciate. And then this is the silver, and this is the pocket size, and this is the personal size in here. All right, then when you open it up, the rest of what's in here is just inserts. So we have two dashboards, and these match the planner cards that you get, and they're on vellum, so you can layer them. They're actually designed to layer like directly over your weekly month cover pages so that they'll like go with those, or you can take them off and write whatever you want in here. But they're interchangeable. There's no dates on your dashboard, so you can interchange them and customize it for however you want. And I deliberately chose really inspirational quotes because those are the things that I like to see in my planner to kind of keep me motivated and put me in a good mood. And I want to show you these weekly inserts. I actually haven't shown these anywhere yet, and this is my favorite part of the box, to be honest with you. This is exactly what kind of motivated me. Was I wanted something that was extremely functional with working from home and like having my schedule be more fluid and unpredictable. I found that I was having a hard time sticking to like an hourly schedule, but at the same time I needed some sort of structure. So I created these time blocking inserts, and how they work is they're vertical for the whole week, and on the right hand side there's an area to put your time blocks. And so like for me, when I use these, I'll put like in the morning, I'll put like my routine that I want to do, or if I need to take my child to school or something. And then in the evening, similar, like I try to read every night. So I literally write it in there every day to remind myself to do it. And then these time blocks are just like, again, since my schedule is like fluid, like some weeks I might be able to work more in other weeks. And then I'll just put like what time I want to start my block and what time I want it to end. And that kind of keeps me accountable for like how I'm going to get my work done, and then I can just write my tasks in here. And to me, that is a lot more manageable. And so that's how I use these, and why I designed them is because I wanted you guys to be able to sort of do some things similar with them, but still make them functional enough that, or minimal enough that you could like do whatever you wanted with them. And then my top 3 goals go here. All the tasks I want to do next week, because we all know things come up and I'll like forget them if I put them somewhere else. But if they're on the page where I'm working, then I won't forget to write them down. And then I can also get ahead if I feel like I'm having a good week. Okay, so those are the time blocking inserts that are in there. And the first month, everybody got both March and April. So there's both of those are in there. And then we have our monthly pages, which are in there as well, monthly overview pages. And those are actually the same ones that you would get if you order the whole year online. I have them online as well. So if you're a subscriber and you don't want 2 of these, then don't order those. But otherwise, if you want to get these, you can get them. They're the monthly planning pages that are on my website. And the weekly time blocking ones, I should mention, those are exclusive to subscribers. I'm not going to release them on the website. So if you want those, you would need to subscribe to the box. So the monthly ones are very, very simple. They have an overview sheet where you can write down your important dates. You can draw or map out your goals however you need to. Running to-do list. And then here is just where you would have your monthly overview. And then on the back is some dot grid paper. And I use dot grid paper on all of these inserts, so those notes pages will all be in dot grid. And then I also included a pack of dot grid paper, which I'll show you as well. This dot grid, I really like it. I tried to make the grid a little bit lighter, and that way you could write on it without getting distracted, because like if it's too dark, I find that I can't really see what I'm writing. I get distracted by it. But this is the dot grid paper. In the box, it's 15 sheets, and then you get, sorry. You can order more on the website, and if you do that, if you order 60 pages, for example, it's like a little bit better of a deal. But this is the doc grid paper, really good if you want to make your own bullet journal too. It comes in the disc bound as well. And I just wanted to show you that, okay, so these are like my notes that I made. But if you look at the back of this paper, there's no bleeding. I mean, I would say it's like minimal ghosting, if even that. You can see like I wrote on it with the zebra mild liner, like talking points, and you can't really see anything. So I love this paper. It's very smooth. It's very heavy, really thick. If you use a fountain pen, you're gonna love it. So yeah, it's really heavy paper, and it's nice and white, and I don't know, I just feel like it's so substantial that if you take the pages out, like they're gonna really, I don't know, like they're not gonna get damaged, I guess. I just have my notes, so I'm gonna double check, make sure I said everything I wanted to say about our box this month. But basically, I just unboxed our very first subscription box. I'm gonna flip this around so that you don't really need to look at the silver paper anymore. But I just unboxed our very first subscription box. And it came with 2 months of inserts for the very first month of subscribers, just to kind of get you guys started. I wanted to make sure everybody had everything that they needed. It also came with a planner, and then some clips, pens, planner cards. Oh, I actually didn't mention, in the planner cards bundle in here, there's a coupon code for everybody that got the box. They can re-up to the same or similar items that were in the box that month with a coupon discount. And there's also a sheet to test your pens on, which if I can open this one-handed, I will show you. Oh, you are welcome. You don't have to thank me. I'm like just so thankful that you guys are here and interested and excited, because I like truly just want to help and improve your lives, and I want to do it with planners. So I'm glad that you are excited. So here's the pen test card, and it's backwards right now, but basically it has a spot for you to like write whatever you want, fill in a circle like you would on your to-do list, and then it lists the specifications of the pen, so you can have it for reference. You can like punch it and put it in your planner or whatever you will find useful. So yeah, we just went over everything, and it's kind of hard to share links on Instagram Live, so there's a link in my bio. You can subscribe through that link. You go to the product page, and I actually was like really surprised. I checked just before I got on here to see how many spots, and there's only like 30 spots left, and we're gonna and like I'm still not even shipping it till like the middle of March. So I would subscribe now if you want it, because we aren't gonna, I won't be able to do more this time around. So if you have any other questions, you can drop them in the comments. I'm gonna save this video and put it on Instagram TV. And thanks to everyone for coming. I really appreciate it. All right, bye.